What's up, guys? Today we are going to have an amazing pronunciation course. We're going to learn how to pronounce the 5 vowels in Spanish. If you watch this video, you will have a pretty good understanding on how to do it correctly. Let's get started. Every Spanish vowel is pronounced one way and one way only. Let's start with the A. Ah. Ah. For these sounds, it's very important that you pay attention to my mouth and to my lips. Ah. This letter is pronounced like father in English. We're going to practice a lot of words with a, e, o, u. Don't worry if you don't understand them all or if you can memorize them all. The important thing is pronunciation today. Pagar, to pay. Sometimes people confuse pagar with pegar because they are not pronouncing the A correctly. Pagar is to pay, pegar is to hit. Casa, everybody knows this word. Casa, home, house. Cama, bed. Cara, face. You could also use cara for something that is feminine and it's expensive. Cara, something is expensive. Hablar, to talk or to speak. Hablar, the H is silent. Nada, nothing. No nada, the D is a real D. Nada, nada. And then there is a very common word, nadar, to swim. Nadar. Playa, the beach. Pasta, pasta. Ensalada, salad. Ensalada. There are 3 A's and every A is pronounced exactly the same. Ensalada. Habitación. Habitación, bedroom. Ahora, the H is silent. Ahora. Abril, April. Pan, bread. Entrada, entrance. Familia, pay attention to the pronunciation and to the stress. Familia, family. Farmacia, pharmacy, same thing, the stress is very important. Farmacia. Bailar, many people say bailar, is bailar, bye, like saying goodbye, bye-bye. Bailar. País, country, país. Barato, cheap. Cada, every or each. The D is a real D. Cada, no cara. Papa, dad. Not to be confused with papa, which is potato. Papa, papa. Same thing for mom. Mama, mama, mom. Para, for or to for direction. Para. Sacar, to take out or to pull out. Sacar, not secar, which is to dry. Sacar, secar. Llamar, to call. Llamar. Sal, salt. Sal. Lavar, to wash. Lavar. Viajar, to travel. Viajar. Mañana, tomorrow or morning. Mañana, the ñ is very important. The next one, gafas, glasses, gafas. Let's move on to the letter E. 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 It's pronounced like bed in English. Tener, to have. Tener. Leer, to read. Leer. 2 E's together. Leer. Perder, to lose. Perder. Beber, to drink. Beber. Not to be confused with vivir. Vivir, beber. Creer, to think or to believe. Creer. Vender, to sell. Think about vendor. Verde, green. Verde. Gente, people. La gente, people. De, of or from. De. Me, I, me. Te, you, te. Se. Se is a difficult word, but we will learn it later on. Este, this. Cena, dinner, not to be confused with cine, which is the movies. Cena, cine. Cerveza, beer. Señor, not señor. Señora, not señora. Señora. Derecho, straight, straight ahead. Derecho. Idea, idea. Idea. Emocionado, emocionado, excited, emocionado. Efectivo, cash, efectivo. Ejercicio, exercise, ejercicio. Excelente, excellent, excelente. Tres, three, tres. Now let's practice the vowel I, which in Spanish is E. It's a long E. E like C in English. C. It's a long E. In Spanish, we don't have a short I. So we don't say it. We say E. Picasso, Picasso. Piscina, pool, swimming pool. Piscina, think about P. To be a little bit graphic. P or peas. Visitar, to visit. Visitar. Dijiste, you said. Dijiste. Vivir, to live. Not to be confused with beber. Vivir. Edificio, building. Edificio. Invierno. Invierno, winter. Difícil, difficult. Difícil, there are three I's. Difícil. Oficina, office. Oficina. Invitación, invitation. Invitación. Idea, idea. Idea. Picante, spicy. Picante. Divertirse, to have fun. Divertirse. Utilizar, to use or to utilize. Utilizar. Inglés. Inglés, English. Imaginar, to imagine. Imaginar. Invisible, invisible. Invisible. This is a difficult word. Inmediatamente. Inmediatamente. Can you guess what it means? That's right. Immediately. Inevitable. Inevitable. Unavoidable. Interesante. Interesante. Interesting. The next vowel is the O. Pay attention to the position of your lips. O. O. O like in bought. Like I bought a house. Loco, crazy. Loco. Pollo, chicken. Pollo. Ojo, eye. Ojo. Foto, photo. Picture, photograph. Moto. If you notice, you keep the same sound. O. Moto. Motorcycle. Coco, coconut. Coco. Ocho, 8. Ocho. Color, color. Not to be confused with calor, which is hot. Color, calor. Otro, another or other. Otro. Poco, little. Poco. Solo, alone. Solo. Rojo, red. Rojo. Bolso, bag. Bolso. Oportunidad, opportunity. Oportunidad. Como, I eat. How, like. This is a good word. Como. Codo, elbow. In Colombia, when a person is very stingy or cheapskate, we say codo. Dolor, pain. Dolor. Fondo, the bottom or background. Olor, smell. Olor. Obvio, obvious or obviously. Próximo, next. Próximo. Tonto, fool or stupid or dumb. Tonto. Oro, gold. Oro. Otoño, autumn or fall. Otoño. And the last vowel is the oo. Oo. Attention to the position of your lips. Oo. Oo, like in boot. It's not exactly the same, but more or less. Usar, to use or to wear. Usar. Usual, usual. Usual. Único, unique or the only. Único. Universidad, university. Universidad. Durar, to last. Durar. You could also say duro, which is hard. Duro. Música, music. Música. Urgente, urgent. Urgente. Sur, south. Sur. Cultura, culture. Cultura. Útil, useful. Útil. Celular, cell phone. Celular. Ruido, noise. Ruido. Azúcar, sugar. Azúcar. Jugo, juice. This word is very similar to the word juego, which is game. Juego, jugo. Dulce, sweet. Dulce. Luz, light. Luz. Último, last. Último. Suerte, luck. Suerte. Aburrido, boring or bored. Aburrido. Try to practice and watch these videos several times. Try listening, repeating. Try to practice the position of your mouth. This is a great vocabulary as well. So, little by little, you can learn these words. These are useful words as well. Check out this video if you want to practice the verb to go and all the ways you can use it in Spanish.